Okay, all yours, Rick.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Vic. Today we were just going to share about some AIs that is fun and actually useful in short to use. And today we have a few sharing. I will let the first one to share maybe will be Greg first, then we'll get Rizwan to share, and I will share the last. So I hope that is okay, Greg and Rizwan. So
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
the goal for us to have this session bi-weekly is actually for us to just create awareness about AI tools that is useful to you. It's not about keep using AI, it's about using it usefully and that it benefits you. So hopefully by sharing different kind of AI to you, that you find the tool that you need or what you want or needed to do things that make you that helps you better because there's too many AI tools, not sure which one to use nowadays. So in short, I would like to ask Greg to share. Greg, you there?
Yeah, I'm good. Give me a second.
Take over the screen. Thanks, Greg.
Hey, let me share. All right. Um, Give me a second. All right. Hello, everyone. Yeah. Let me move this a little bit. How do I do this? All right. So this is a tool I'm going to be covering today. It's another chat-based AI program, very similar to Copilot, which we did cover extensively back in our past sessions of AI is Fun. This one's called CC. So a little backstory is that last week when we were, moving at an event, we met this guy who was boasting that CC is actually better than any other AI tool he's seen, right? And apparently that's why he doesn't use Copilot. Wow. So, I'm curious to see what this tool has in store for us today. And to access it, you enter it through this website right here, ccia.com. There is also an app version over here, but I am using the browser version, and unfortunately, you do have to make an account in order to use some of the functions that I'm going to be covering today. And first off, let me show off a little bit about this application page from the Google Play Store. Apparently, it has 10 million downloads, 50K reviews, so I guess it's quite a big deal. I've never heard of it, right? And the interesting part is that it's being developed by this Singapore-based company right here, Spring. And let's get started diving into the app itself. And usually with chat-based AI tools like this is that I like to test out how current the data is, right? And this was an issue with ChatGPT back when it was using GPT 3.5, is that it can only go back to stuff before January 2022, right? And then they switched to GPT-4 and it's more current. So let's maybe learn about some of the current events. So one of the current events, I guess maybe if everybody knew, is that Biden dropping out of the election, right? So let me ask TC, like, tell me about Biden dropping out of the election. It's yeah. So I did not know about this event. Kind of disappointed. Although I did mess around that if you use this other function, so I guess this function they're using 3.5, ChatGPT 3.5. But if you're using, say, this one over here on the top left, it's one called AI search, and I'll do the exact same prompt. Like, tell me about Biden dropping out of the election. And give it a little second. Right? And yeah, suddenly it works, right? You know that it's very current and he's endorsing his VP. But this is kind of a roundabout way, right? Compared to, let's say, Copilot, you type it in and you don't have to switch between the GPTs. But one function I do like over here is this one called Deep Search, this blue button. So if you do choose this button, tell it to do a deep search about the same prompt, it should list out a bunch of related information to this prompt. So give it a second. Yeah, you see over here from top to bottom, maybe it says that why did he do it? How will it in fact impact other stuff and the timing and what are some consequences? And so this is stuff that's not specifically tied to what I typed initially, but it lists out a very general sense, right? So it is pretty neat, and I think it would be useful if you are educating yourself on something, and pretty much, if you're just unsure about what sort of questions you want to ask when you're learning about a new topic, right? And I think one other thing I'm going to talk about a little bit here is that CC also employs this function called bots here on the bottom left, right? And it's kind of similar to how Copilot has other functions, let's say for vacation planning, for fitness training, right? And even making music, if you know this plugin called Suno, like in Copilot. But the difference is that CC employs community-based bots. So say users of CC can make their own bots, and they can do a wide range of stuff. Here, let me click into it. Discover bots. So I'm not gonna touch into how to make a bot, but you can see what's around. There's stuff for writing and stuff for learning, right? If you want to learn language, maybe some artistic stuff, doing poetry and writing reports here, and stuff in your daily life. Yeah, all the different creative sort of stuff. It does have its merits on being very much more of a variety tool compared to Copilot, right? So what's my verdict on this? I do think that CC is a neat tool. It does make learning more interesting, especially with the deep search function, right? But ultimately, I do believe that you can be achieving the same thing with Copilot, like over here. You just have to be smart about your prompting, right? Let's say you want to learn something new and you're not really sure what sort of questions you should be asking. You can just ask Copilot to be creative with its answers. There is 1,000 different ways that you can be doing this, and at the end, it just comes down to being the right prompter, right? I would like to cover on how each of these bots work. As you can see, there are official bots, there are user-made bots, but I feel like there are too many bots, and time's ticking for our session today. So I will be leaving it to you guys to mess around with. So I think that's it for my sharing right now. Thank you. I'll give it back to you, Vic.
Okay, thank you. Greg, can I ask, TT is developed by who?
It's a Singaporean company. It's called Spring. Yeah,
Spring. I
yeah,
see, I see.
Spring.
Okay,
Yeah,
cool, cool, cool. Interesting. Thank you, Greg, for
thanks.
sharing. Um, there's a lot of interesting AI coming up now. I'm sure everybody is playing with it and trying out here and there. Welcome everyone who just joined. I can see Pazer, Rick Leong, see Winston here. So next up, let's get Rizwan to come and share. Rizwan, are you there? Hi Rizwan, are you there? Uh, Come. Can you
Hello,
hear me?
you hear me now?
Yes, yes, yeah. Okay, it's back.
Hello, Vic.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Sorry, my internet is not really good tonight.
Okay.
Don't know why. Let me share my screen. So I just want to share two things today. So one of the recent news about Microsoft Designer. So Microsoft Designer anything. And just now they make it public usable for everyone. Before this, it was in preview mode. So what you can do, right?
Rizwan, are you
They
sharing your
managed
screen?
to. Yes. Can you
Nothing,
see?
no. Nothing.
Oh, okay. Let me just reshare again.
Uh, I think
Can
it's
you see now?
wait, it's coming, it's coming. Uh, I think because of the internet.
I don't know why during the night time the
Oh
internet
no,
will
it's
be really slow.
blank. It's blank.
Never mind. Maybe can you continue first, then let him in.
Okay,
Alright.
sure. Let me continue first. Okay, cool. I have two new AI to share with you all. Let me get myself ready. Okay. So I would like to share with you two AI that I found. One is more productivity. I'm still testing it, up to your assessment to see how useful is this. This is called black box AI, the new AI that I found, which helps to analyze data. Very interesting. So compared to Microsoft Copilot in Excel, how does it compare? So how does it work and so on? So I have this sample here that I have deleted. Of course, I tried uploading a Excel file, cannot. It can input text, but it allows PDF. So I actually uploaded a PDF, and he actually recognized the document appears to be a sales report with the following fields: product type, product code, date, sales total, sales staff, region. So then he'll break down the information and give you, it's actually this field country region, also break down by name and region. It give you the end. But what I love more is after what he shared, which is, I see which is the top three sales. So then he actually gave me this with the amount based on the data. The top three sales are this and this and this. So give me information. So give me some insight, general prompt. Based on the data, here are some insight. Top selling product is actually this one, train TR and so on. So top selling train product is TR. There's a code lah, so it's the data with total of 7 sales across different region. So then there is this penny is top product. So this is how it run. Let me do it live again. I'm going to try to clear this. Okay. So now let's say I'm going to attach a document. So let me see. So data, where? Let me see. Where is my data? Okay. Okay, here. Okay. So you can see that sorry, it's lagging. Why? Okay, it's appearing. Okay, so here is the data. So can you see that there's some sample data file I prepared? So since you can't accept Excel, I actually convert to PDF. So with this link, this data link anyway, just to help. So I just want to save time. Doesn't change. Okay, let me go to TTT. Okay, so why is it not changing? Okay, so you can see there is sample data here, PDF. So you accept data, actually you accept few different type. I'm gonna upload it. So it's here, you see, uploaded. Can you analyze this data and share me some insight? Okay. Overall sale, top selling product is trains, and then top selling region is US, UK, Germany, France, and China. Highest sales staff performance is penny, increase, and raw. Those are important information for sales paid and so on to understand and to really compensate accordingly, make decision on the region that is weak. Region trends like US, the highest sales volume, UK, significant volume of sales, Germany, strong performance, show a preference for train and accessory. It gives you insight, Actually, France sales is a focus in this area. China and model sales volume and performance, in terms of performance, train, accessory, station. So it can tell you all this, and sales staff performance as well, it actually summarizes for you. And based on this, it gives you key observation. The data suggests a preference for train and accessory across most regions. Sales staff performance varies significantly, apparently consistently leading the sales volume. there is opportunity to explore and expand the sales of station in regions like France and China to increase overall sales. Further analysis some more. Not only that, it didn't stop there. Analyze individual product performance within specific region can provide more in-depth insight. Compare sales. So let's say you're a salesperson, you're thinking about, oh, okay, it's good that I know the top sales, the top performance, and so on. Which region has poor sales that I need to look into? So Africa, the total sales, yeah. Okay, let's say you don't have time to go through how many salespeople there. People there. And what are their performance by individual. So you want to assess more insights, right? So there are 13 salespeople, and you can see Penny. Okay, so the prompt was not very clear. I just say general, so it actually capture all. What about salespeople in Africa, right? In Africa, yes. Africa. How many people? How many salespeople are there? Okay. And what the volume? Two people in Africa. Steve is 3,000. Rob is actually 8,000. So the pro performer is Steve. So you actually know how to deal with the make decision, to work with Steve a bit more, having a meeting and discussion, how to help him to improve his sales. So this is some of the insight. So I forgot to show you actually the file. The file data is actually something like this. So it's an Excel data that I just converted to PDF. So with this data, I actually split the information, analyze it for you. How easy it is this? Yeah. So it's pretty helpful, and it's good. It's good for us to analyze. And it's quite helpful. It is really helpful using black box. I would say that. So I kind of like it for me personally. If it gives me such an insight, it's amazing. So I don't need to do pivot. I don't need to pull here, pull there. It can even work with only like what you call even like what you call it can even work with other format. You can print a picture of the data, just post it in, and so on. So these are something that you can try. So for example, let's say I have this. It's an Excel, of course, it's product list, so with barcode and so on. So let's say I screenshot it. Wait, let me change my screenshot setting. There you go. Okay. Let's say I just need this. Okay, I have this data. Let me save it. Product list, I'm going to just name it product list. So product list, I'm going to change it to JPEG just to save here. Okay, let's see. Now I have the data and I type file. Okay, so I have this data here. So there's a picture. So analyze this data for me. Sorry, I forgot to do chat. Let's do that again. Okay, this. And, this for me. Oh, it didn't touch the top. Is it touch? Let me try do this. I change it to PDF better. Oh, wait. I need to change the format. This is in wrong this time. Okay, so we're gonna just save it as PDF. I still find PDF is working better. Okay, okay, let's do this. Now, restore. Okay, loading. Let's try. See, okay, and like yes, they actually Batman figurine and Captain America and so on. They actually have data, freedom and so on. So there's not a lot of data in this table. Of course, it's more data. So of course, it's a bit harder to test. Yeah. So that you have to try other data. This is something that you can see. I find this very useful. I recommend you all try it. I'll post the link here. Okay, you can try it out. Okay, let me share with you another AI that I found quite interesting. If you're a YouTuber, IG story creator, a content creator, you can try this. It's actually called mixedreels.ai. So I'm gonna just create. Anyone want to interested to create any reels? What topic you would like? Give me a topic. You want to try? Give me a topic, then I create for you. Any topic you want to try? Okay, if you have none, I'll just try one. Huh? So here is supposed to be entering a topic like healthcare, home buying, and so on. Text to reels, news to text, and blog to reel. So there's a few options. Let's try text to reel. Okay. Okay, let's try. Let's see the topic about Microsoft Defender. I've been reading a lot of this for endpoint. So for example, okay, let's generate. Let's see what it can do. I haven't signed it yet, you know. It creates okay on it. On the speaker. Let me share sound.
Defender for Endpoint. Microsoft Defender for Endpoint offers advanced threat detection to identify and neutralize potential risks. It provides robust endpoint protection, ensuring devices are shielded from various cyber threats. Incident response capabilities enable swift remediation, minimizing damage from security incidents.
You see,
Seamless integration
pretty smooth and
Microsoft
created
security products
AI.
and
You can actually
delivers
change AI style.
Cybersecurity posture.
You can even put sticker. You can add
Businesses
logo.
benefit.
See, AI style applied. Then you can change logo. You can even add stickers. Yeah. For example. Yeah. So it can do a lot of things. So pretty interesting.
Cybersecurity.
See?
Key features of Microsoft Defender for Endpoint.
Interesting, right?
Microsoft Defender for Endpoint offers advanced threat detection to identify and neutralize potential risks.
So far, I see it's free. I haven't logged in and I can do it. But of course, there is a pricing here
From various
for more features lah. So free one is this one. You can only do this. So 50 language support, 10 AI voice, free images and library, automate reels generation. With 34 USD per month, you can only do all more things. And 39 is of course more lah. So yearly is this cost lah. Okay, 240 USD. That actually create a lot. Let's go back. Let's try the other one.
unlocked
News to view. Okay. So you can type a keyword to search news, right? What keyword do you want? Let's try. Just now, Greg did share about Chichi, right? Oh wait, let me think about it. Greg, give me something. What topic that you are interested in news? Biden, okay. Biden. Keyword Biden let's put it. Let AI pick. Okay, let AI pick the news. I can't share some.
2024 race. Media coverage reveals political divide. President Biden's decision to exit the 2024 race highlights a significant political reality. This unprecedented move demonstrates the control.
1 second, guys. Let me unshare because the audio is not going up.
The coverage disparity raises questions about bias and the influence of media on public perception.
Let me change something.
Broader challenges within the Democratic Party as election dynamics shift. Stay informed by subscribing.
Okay, I'm going to share screen again. Oh, okay, wait, sorry, I need to change something here. A new setting. How come? Okay, so I hopefully can share screen now. Okay, now there's a new setting I didn't know about Teams. Now they force you to switch your computer speaker. So I'm gonna play.
Biden's exit from 2024 race. Media coverage reveals political divide. President Biden's decision to exit the 2024 race highlights a significant political reality. This unprecedented move demonstrates the contrasting narratives presented by left and right-wing media.
Interesting, right? Yeah,
the coverage disparity raises questions about bias and the influence of media on public perception.
Overlay is not bad.
Biden's choice reflects broader challenges within the Democratic Party as election dynamics shift.
Select a different
Stay informed by
Biden's exit from 2024 race. Media coverage reveals political divide.
Multilingual.
President Biden's decision to exit the 2024 race highlights a significant political reality.
Biden's exit from 2024 race. Media coverage reveals political divide.
Wow. Olivia, Australian.
Biden's exit from 2024 race. Media coverage reveals political divide. President Biden's decision to exit the 2024 race highlights a significant political reality.
Oh, okay. So this
unprecedented move demonstrates the contrast.
Let's try block. Enter a block. What block you like? Let's try. Yeah, I saw a news. Okay, black, pink, water. Okay, let's see. For example, I see, don't know whether this can detect. So I'm going to go to here. Let's see.
Blackpink announces exciting comeback and world tour in
Of course, the video is
2025.
wrong.
Blackpink is set to make a thrilling comeback with a world.
Blackpink announces exciting comeback and world tour in 2025.
Actually, I'm quite impressed.
Blackpink
Although
is set to
this
make a
video is a
thrilling
bit
comeback
odd,
with a
it's not
world tour
Blackpink.
starting in 2025.
I hope this
YG
sharing
Entertainment's
you.
Yang Yunsuk shared this
If you
exciting news in a
are
recent YouTube video.
a content creator, yes, this is
To
pretty cool.
Anyone will also
You
return
can
with
try
a
this
world
out.
tour kicking
Yeah.
off in October 2024.
Okay, and this is about
After
my
Born Pink in
sharing
2022,
two
Blackpink
simple
members are
AI
focusing on
that
solo
quite
projects
helpful
under their
if you
own
are
labels.
this kind of people of content creator, analyze the data. Of course, with bigger data, maybe we can have. Maybe if we want to try and increase a sample, let's try. There is sample data, Excel to download. Okay, so free data sample. Okay. Let's try a bigger data. Hopefully it will be better. It will work. Okay, so excuse if you hear my dog barking. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, so we are here. Okay, so we have another one. So let's try. Big data, right? Let's try if it's in ship in PDF. It's better for me to ship in PDF. Okay, page layout, size. Let's change it to A3. Okay. So I can put it here closer. Okay, plus I'll make it wrap text. Okay, so I can just save it as PDF first. So far I tried only PDF works. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this is a more scenario for HR. So I have my PDF ready. So let's see whether it can analyze. Okay, we'll try it out. Okay, it's uploaded. Analyze the data for me. Okay. Let's see what does it give. All this you can try if you're familiar with VS data science agent, robot, block, creator agent, and so on. See? Detailed data used for various purposes, including human resource management, performance computation, and so on. So it stopped there. So give me insight of this data. So presentation. Okay. Oh, it actually provide you some link on live data. Interesting. It's generating. Because the data actually, I think not much info inside. So not this one. Okay, free. Yeah, not much data. So there's salary payout. How much is the salary payout? Who is the, you see, they give you the salary payout is 141,604. Who is the highest paying, who is the top 10 highest paying salary? Okay, so let's try. Interesting. It does take time with more data. Top 10 highest paying job is, okay, give me only one. Is it true? I do need to give a clause. AI need to be trained and so on. Top 10 one. I would like to have top paying, top salary stuff. Let's just change my prompt. Hey, see, I gave wrong. Like 10 top salary. Let's see. Well, it came out. Let's see. Oh, here are the top salaries and staff name. So, wow, we code, we name. I can click on it. Wow, interesting. Oh, we can even pull in bell power name data. Now you can see all the income. I click on bell power, Bella power. Yes, correct, Greg. Even if you're not familiar with the Excel formulas and so on, see, give you all these. This survey, it can even give you suggestion. Oh, quite useful. Black box AI, black box. Can try. Yeah, this is my sharing. I think you can play with it more, and there's a lot more things here. I haven't played all of it. You can create agents or more. So Android app can try. Got Android app. Wow. AI code docs. Okay, something new. Multiplayer auditor. Okay, interesting. There's more there. I just started playing. You can try. Okay, this is my sharing. Riza, are you there? Are you back? Rizwan.
Yes, yes.
Okay, are you ready to share? Try.
Yep, yep. Let me just.
Okay, let me hand over to you.
Okay, thank you. So today I'm going to share about Microsoft Designer. So with Microsoft Designer, you can actually create any images that you want. You just key in your prompt, and it will generate the image using AI. It also helpful for you to actually build your content, right? Not just generating the images, like greeting cards, your social media posts, invitation or wallpaper, right? And you name it. So here are some of the example over here. So Microsoft Designer, they just made this version as a public release recently. So everyone can use it now. So you can even generate your own avatar just after the images, and you can actually generate your own cartoon version of you. And there are other things as well. So you can browse through some of the projects that Microsoft did give you template you can actually try, and you can even create your own coloring pages, right? Coloring book for your kids. Like for example, here, right? Let's try this one. You can see here, right? So this is the pages that you can actually key in the prompt and generate, ask it to generate, right? So you can actually type in the prompt. You can change to any, maybe even KLCC or any building in Malaysia, yeah, in places that you want the children to actually color, right? Try to, maybe use our local pictures illustration for them, right? You can actually do that. Just change the prompt. Then you can change the size of the image, and then you just click generate, right? And then will take some time. So I think about 1 or 2 minutes or so if we're able to generate for you. So it depends on your internet as well. So while you're generating, right? So let me just go back to this page again. So you can see, right, there's a text box in the middle over here, right? So you can actually see there's a suggestion what you want to do, right? What you want to design. So greeting cards. Maybe you want to edit image, you can do that. Edit with AI. Or you want to create some Instagram story or advertisement for Facebook or LinkedIn post, buyers, right? Even Outlook email header, right? Normally we have them, right? And then anything. So let's try maybe Facebook ads, right? You can just click this option, and this is a new logo of Microsoft Designer, just for your information. So it straight bring down to you a template. Then you have a bunch of template over here for you to actually choose from, right? So for example, like this one, let's say, yeah, I'm doing an open house, right? So I can actually choose this one, or maybe other things. For example, yeah, any topic that you can think of, right? So maybe like travel package, so travel package off, right? So you can see the design is quite nice. It's already like preview template. You can actually use it. Maybe as a supermarket. Do they have a supermarket template? Yeah, they have. Right. Maybe you can just use this one and do some editing of the item that you are selling. And they got some ideas or in the right side. See some ideas, for example, like this one. This is nice, right? Maybe this one. So that's the idea of Microsoft Designer basically. So you have all the tools and templates available for you. I think my internet a bit slow. I'm not sure. I hope I still online. So you have it here. You can see the template. It's really nice. For example, I just choose one. You can see the suggestion at the right side here. It's really nice, right? Let me just choose this one. It really looks high definitions, classy, and you can use it right away. just change the wording here. You can just edit the text, or maybe you want to change some design of the font, and maybe like this or like this. Yeah, Microsoft make it really easy for you to do that. Okay, so let's go back to the coloring book just now. Yep, so I able to generate some over here. So you can just use this one and download it, and maybe, you know, have a play with your kids, right? Try to color them. And in using your even tablet, right? You just open these images using your any application that can edit image. They can just color the picture, right? Even you can, if you have printer, then that would be much more better. You just print them and ask them to color the picture here, right? So you can see there's a lot of other example as well. You can even generate on the own. So that is picture, right? That is picture. So you can edit as well. Edit. So I have one of the, let me just move my bar over here. So I have one here, pictures, right? You can actually upload right here. Just click upload, and then it will open a design page for you. Some of the pictures, it's not mine. I just took some of the pictures in online. So you can see you can actually change remove the background, and maybe, you know, do some adjusting to the images, like the colors and those things, and even add some icons and visual text inside the image. So this is all about image, right? So the next thing that I want to show is this app, right? So this is Microsoft Clipchamp. Microsoft Clipchamp is a video editor tool. I always use this tool now. Whenever we record some demos, right? We just edit using this tool. It's free, included with the Windows. Got all the features that you need. You know, so I want to show you the AI features that I have been playing recently, right? So, but the problem here, let me just open another instance. Can I open another one? Let me see if I can open another one. Maybe cannot. Right? So I only can open one. It's okay. So what I want to do, I want to create a video, right? Of my recent vacation, right? So you have a stack of pictures. You can actually just throw into this application and then ask it to generate. So it uses the AI to generate. So this is the video that it generated for me. So let me just see if you can, yep, hear me, right? So let me just optimize. Okay, let's see. Sorry, it's a simple video, but you see that all the elements over here, like even this particular short intro, right, is generated by AI. The song is generated by AI, and all the text, right, and also the some of the stickers here, right, and the changes between one picture to another picture is also generated by AI. These all are pictures actually. So it's all are using AI actually, right? Only the picture. So if you have really nice picture, then it able to generate for you even nicer video, right? So you can see, right, one of the features over here also, you can see the small icon. If you have a video, then you want a subtitle to your video, right? You can just click this one and then choose the language. Then it will actually do a auto caption on top of the video actually, right? Now you can actually do that. This is part of the AI features. So at the right side over here, you can do a lot of other things. You can edit the video, you can put some effects to the video, right? And then in the left side, you can see, right, you can actually add some text into the video. The transition between the pictures, just now you can see there's a small icon over here, right? I did some of the transition. So you have some brand kit, this one is a premium feature, right? So you have some ready-made templates. Let's say you want to create a YouTube video, you can just choose this template, and then it will actually give you the intro here. You can see, welcome to my channel. You can just use thank you for watching, right? So they have like a pre-defined set of template that you can actually use. Let's say if you go to Instagram, right, they have this type of long video, right, that's suitable for your phone. Right, they have it all here. You can just click and edit all these text. Similar like the demo that's shown by Vic, right? It's automatically generated, but this one you have more control on it, right? So easier for you to create any post in your Instagram and those things, right? So if I go back and I go maybe like gaming, corporate template also, there's corporate template. Got many template over here for you to actually create the video that you prefer, even TikTok also, right? Yep. So how to actually generate this video, right? You actually need to go to the home, right? Continue. Okay. And then when you open CleanChamp, so this is the first page that you will see. And in this page, you have some features over here. So you see, create a new video from scratch, or you can create video with AI. You can also have some of the features over here, text to speech, free, and record yourself, free, stream your video, free. You can use it, right? So maybe text to speech, if you want to try, right? I can just use text to speech. I just insert my text, and then it will actually come up with a voice, right? So too short. I don't know if it works or not. Review. Yeah, this is great. So I will be presenting about Copilot today. These are some of the features of Copilot, right? So let's preview. You can see, right? You can just put in your text, and then you can copy the audio, maybe put it inside your video or posting, right? You can actually do that. So you can actually change the voice. Maybe yep, I'm not sure. Maybe Ryan, right? Let's try and see. Right. So yep, yeah. This is really nice feature. It's free, available for you, right? So you can change the pace. You can change the pitch of the vocal, right? You can actually do that. So these are all AI features free available for you if you're using Windows. CleanChamp, just go and try. So you can create a lot of videos using this free tool, right? So got some templates over here, like I mentioned before. And that's all from me, Vic. That's all. Thank you for listening.
Okay, hey guys, I hope you guys enjoy. Uh, I just tested the very interesting remove background. Can even remove object if you try. You go and search in designer. There's also able to remove a certain object. Um, I thank you everyone. I think we can end here. Anyone have any questions or you want to know about certain AI that we want to explore or you want to share actually next round? Do let us know. Any question, anyone? None? Give me a thumb up. Okay. If there's none, let's have a good night rest tonight and hope you have a good day tomorrow. Thank you, guys. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you. See you guys. Bye.
Thanks, Lauren.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.